Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala Habibi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam. Students, for better understanding, for best understanding, you will have to keep your eyes fixed, focused onto the board, and sit in my class with the presence of mind, with full presence of mind. Okay? Parts of speech. Okay, classification of words, basically. Are word classes, we can also call them word classes. And words are classified into 8 parts, and some experts classify them into 9 parts. Okay? The first one is noun. It tells us about a person, place, thing, or quality, idea, or action. You might be thinking, oh, action may be the noun. Action usually belongs to verb. But if I say eating, or I like swimming, swimming is an action, but it's a verbal noun. Anyway, let's come towards the pronoun. They, I, we, you, he, she, it, some, any, like, these are pronouns. Next one is adjective. The word that shows quality is called an adjective. The next one is verb. An action or state. A state of mind. Okay, he is, like, angry. Is, you can say state of maybe, state of verb. Okay, next one is action verbs are also there. Working, like, walk, talk, like this. These are the action verbs. Adverb. Verb, adjective, it adds meaning to the verb, to another adjective, to another adverb. Clear? Preposition. It comes before a noun or a pronoun and connects it to another word. It comes before a noun or pronoun and comes before another word. Conjunction. It connects phrases, clauses, and sentences with each other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you must know the difference. Both are connectors, both connect. But preposition connects another word and conjunction connects phrases, clauses, sentences. Clear?
Yes.
Next one is an interjection. It shows surprise, shock, pain, sudden feelings such as burra, ouch, like these things. Okay, next one is, let me tell you an easy way to remember them. I don't want to tell you the story behind it because it may, we are lacking short of time. We remember these words. There is also a napa, VIP was also there. Have you written? It's okay. And for?
No.
A for? B for? A for? A for?
Article.
C for?
Conjunction.
V for?
Verb.
I for?
Interjection.
E for?
Preposition.
Preposition. You remember these words? Napa VIP. Okay? So it will be quite easy for you. Okay? And it will stay in your mind for life. These parts of speech will stay, will be saved, will be secure in your mind for life, okay? So you won't forget, this is an easy way to remember them. Let's, discuss the example. My daughter has a car, which is a noun in it.
Daughter.
A car and a daughter. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
She sang a beautiful song.
Beautiful quality of song.
Beautiful is an adjective. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one, Sana is not well, she is taking rest. So what is pronoun? She is a pronoun. Clear?
Yes.
We are using instead of Sana.
Sana.
She posted the letter yesterday. Posted is a verb. She came early and finished.
And.
Who has got more important thing to discuss? If somebody has to discuss something very urgent or very important, she may leave the class and she may discuss it. Okay? She came early and finished. So which one is conjunction?
And.
And is a conjunction. He did the work carefully.
Careful.
At according to the meaning of verb, that is carefully, it is an adverb. This is new book. This is what? Pronoun. Next one, I admire the boy. Boy.
Noun.
And what is admire? Verb. Clear? And he has read the novel. Novel is what? Noun. I need some money. I is what?
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Okay. These are just examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. If you have still any question in your mind, you can ask me online, offline. And thank you very much. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.